So, see children, in last video I introduced you chapter number 5, religious festival. Then the next part. So first festival is here, Dashera. First I am going to tell you one story about related Dashera festival. So what happened one day Shurpanakha, she was Ravana's sister, and she went to Lanka and told him, whose Shurpanakha told to Ravana about Sita's beauty. Then Ravan became angry, and evil thought enter in his mind. बहुत बुरा विचार आया उसकी ब्यूटी को सोचकर. तो then what happened then? He should abduct Sita, and one day he went in front of his hut, and from there he abducted him and in Lanka. And then what happened then? Because Sita was the Rama's wife, so then Ram went to Lanka, and then there were Ram and Ravan, both were fought. And then what happened then? Ram defeated to Ravan. Then so this way this is the story. So what happened there then? Ram fought to Ravan. So this is the symbol of victory of good over evil. It means बुराई पर अच्छाई की मात. क्योंकि यह रावण ने बुरा किया था किसके साथ? राम के साथ, क्योंकि उसकी वाइफ को वो भगा कर लेके गया था, इसलिए so that thing is very bad. Now see children, Dashera is an important festival. Dashera is an important festival of Hindus. Hindus are mostly celebrated Dashera, and it marks victory of Lord Rama over the demon king Ravana, like I told you. This is the mark of victory of Lord Rama, and Lord Rama is the eighth avatar of this is the avatar of Vishnu, and Rama defeat in war Ravana, and then even there so that in the Dashera time what we are doing, we are burning the effigies of Ravan, his brother Kumbhakarna, and even his son Meghnad. So Ravan's brother's name is Kumbhakarna, and his son name is Meghnad. So these three effigies are burned as symbol of victory of good over evil. So that this day we are celebrate Dashera. Even Dashera festival celebrated in various form in different parts of the country. The festival ends on the 10th day, and this festival we are celebrate 10th day. It is called Vijayadashmi. We called it Vijayadashmi also. So which mean victory on the 10th day. And that day even some people putting tika on forehead, prayers, then religious rituals like burning on effigies of Ravana. Even this festival is famous in Kolkata also. Mostly there people are celebrate Dashera. So this way we have finished this. Now then Diwali. Then next festival is Diwali. Do you like Diwali, children? Yes. All people like Diwali. But mostly Hindus are celebrate this festival. And Diwali, see, Diwali is celebrated 20 days after Dashera. When we will celebrate Diwali? After 20 days of Dashera. And it is the Hindu festival. And we know this festival is the light festival, festival of light, because that day at the night people decorated their houses with lights, diyas, candles, tube lights. Even they eat, drink and enjoy the evening with crackers. And that is a time to celebrate light over darkness. Even what we are doing before the Diwali, we are clean our houses and decorate them that day with candle, diya, tube lights and candles. And then people are distribute sweets and gifts. Even children enjoy lightning sparkles. है ना, you are getting from your fathers some crackers, sparklers. पटाखे फोड़ते हैं उस दिन, मज़े करते हैं. You are enjoying nicely. All are very happy. You got new dresses from your father, your parents. And then at night what we are doing? People are prayers and offered to Lakshmi. It is the goddess of wealth. Lakshmi is the goddess of wealth. That day at night we are sing holy song also. We are doing that day we are doing worship of goddess Lakshmi. So do you know, children, Diwali comes from the word of Dipavali. See, this is the Diwali word. So it comes from the word Dipavali, which means a row of light. What is meant by Diwali? Diwali means row of light. And according to Hindu mythology, मतलब हिंदू पुराणों के अनुसार, this festival is celebrated to mark the return of King Rama to Ayodhya after 14 years of exile. It means, देखो बच्चों, हिंदू पौराणिक कथा के अनुसार यह जो फेस्टिवल है, यह फेस्टिवल किस लिए सेलिब्रेट करते हैं हम? राम, लक्ष्मण, सीता वो सब कहाँ गए थे? 14 वर्ष की वनवास पर गए थे. एग्जाइल मीन्स वनवास. 14 वर्ष की वनवास में वो चले गए थे और उसके बाद वो आए थे. किस दिन आए थे? दिवाली के दिन. इसीलिए हम उस दिन को, वो जिस दिन वापस आए थे 14 वर्ष का वनवास भोग कर, तो उस दिन को हम दिवाली के रूप में मनाते हैं. So this signifies the victory of good over evil. यह भी एक बुराई पर अच्छाई की मात होती है. इसीलिए यह फेस्टिवल हम सेलिब्रेट करते हैं. So this way, today we will finish 2 festivals, Diwali and Dashera. So I will teach you the next lesson, then the left festival. So bye children.